Are you ready for the biggest Apple reveal of the year? Let's dive into why the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max is setting new standards and might just be the best phone you've ever laid your eyes on. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. First off, let's talk design. Imagine holding a phone where the screen edges are so slim they're practically invisible. That's the magic Apple is weaving with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Rumor has it, this device will flaunt the industry's thinnest bezel, just 1.15 millimeter. This is a massive leap from the 1.55 millimeter bezel of the iPhone 15, and it surpasses even the sleek Galaxy S24 Ultra. The result? A nearly edge-to-edge display that looks absolutely futuristic. But why stop there? Apple's not just playing with numbers, they're changing the game. While Samsung uses a titanium frame more for decoration, Apple's taking it up a notch by using an entirely titanium case. This innovative choice allows them to trim down the bezel significantly, not just for aesthetics, but to maximize the use of precious metal. Even a 0.4 millimeter reduction might seem tiny, but it will give the iPhone 16 Pro Max a stunning cutting-edge appearance that stands out against Android rivals. Now, let's talk screen real estate. Thanks to the bezel slimming, the iPhone 16 Pro Max screen will be 0.8 millimeter taller and wider without increasing the phone's overall dimensions. This means more display area for you to enjoy your favorite content. Movies, games, and apps will look more immersive than ever. But wait, there's more. Battery life is getting a serious upgrade. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to feature significant increases in battery capacity. The iPhone 16 Pro will see a boost to 3,577 milliampere, a 9% increase over its predecessor, while the Pro Max will have a 4,676 milliampere battery, marking a 5% increase. These enhancements, coupled with efficiency improvements, mean you can expect more power and longer usage on a single charge. Plus, rumors suggest the iPhone 16 Pro Max will offer over 30 hours of battery life, up from 29 hours in the previous model. And for those who hate waiting around for a charge, both models are rumored to support 40W wired fast charging and 20-watt MagSafe charging. This is a big step up from the iPhone 15's 27-watt peak wired and 15-watt MagSafe charging. Faster charging means less time tethered to a power outlet and more time enjoying your phone. Apple isn't just focusing on hardware, they're also bringing new intelligence to the table. The iPhone 16 will debut with Apple Intelligence, emphasizing AI-driven innovations and software improvements, while more drastic design changes might be reserved for next year. The iPhone 16 series will introduce smarter features that enhance your daily tech experience. So, what do you think about these incredible upgrades? Are you as excited as we are about the thinnest bezels and the biggest battery boosts ever? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat about which feature excites you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news. See you in the next video. Peace out.